Good morning, students. Today we'll do the question answers of this chapter. The first question is, what happened when Abu Jahl asked about Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq Raziyallahu anhu? So our answer will be in the chapter, in the paragraph number 4. Addressing Hazrat Asma Raziyallahu anha, he demanded, "Where is your father?" She politely replied, "How would I know?" This response shows the wisdom and courage of Hazrat Asma Raziyallahu anha. She didn't make a statement that would give him a clue. She simply posed a counter question that infuriated Abu Jahl. From this line, it will be okay. The next one, why was Hazrat Abu Kuhafa worried? In the fifth paragraph, you will have the answer. Her grandfather, Hazrat Abu Kuhafa, was a disbeliever at that time. He was very old and had become blind. He said to her, "Asma, I think Abu Bakr has taken all the wealth, leaving you and children empty-handed and helpless." Okay. The third question is, why was Hazrat Abu Kuhafa Raziyallahu anha worried? So you have to cut these words, add this she. So instead of these words, you have to write Hazrat Asma Raziyallahu anha instantly ran to a corner of the home. She gathered some pebbles and put them at the place where her father used to keep his money and jewels. She covered it with a piece of cloth. "Come, grandfather, look, he has left all this for us." He touched the cloth and thought it was full of gold and jewels. The fourth question, the answer is very easy. Who was Hazrat Abdullah bin Zubair Raziyallahu anha? So you have to put the relation, means in the place of who. So you have to start from here. Hazrat Abdullah bin Zubair was the son of Hazrat Asma Raziyallahu anha. Okay. The fifth one is, which incident in the story showed Hazrat Asma's Raziyallahu anha love and respect for the Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam? In the third paragraph, you will find the answer of it. I have underlined the lines. You just make sure that what is the answer. Okay. So see the lines very carefully. During the perilous journey, it was very difficult for anyone to supply food to Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So from this line now, this grand task was nicely undertaken by Hazrat Asma Raziyallahu anha, the daughter of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq Raziyallahu anha. Every night, with the pack of food, she would quietly venture towards the rugged mountains in which lay the cave of Sor. She took care of the minute details in accomplishing the task. Okay. Next question. Which incident in the story tells about the generosity of Hazrat Asma Raziyallahu anha? In the sixth paragraph, we have the answer of sixth question. In the last lines, Hazrat Asma was so generous that she sold the garden inherited after the death of her sister Hazrat Aisha Raziyallahu anha. She gave away all the money to the poor and the needy. Nobody ever returned empty-handed from her doorstep. The seventh one, what message do you get from the life of Hazrat Asma? So you can start from here. The message you की जगह आ जाएगा. The message we get from the life of Hazrat Asma Raziyallahu anha, that she will always be remembered for her courage, generosity, and wisdom. She had resolute faith in Almighty. Her life would always be a beacon of light for all of us. The last question is, here is the statement in the last paragraph you have seen already. Her life would always be a beacon of light for all of us. How? So we have to define it. So this will be our answer of this question. Hazrat Asma Rizal Anha led a life of life of hardships and troubles. She was a perfect example of modesty, truthfulness, honesty, piety, bravery, and generosity. So her life would always be a beacon of life, beacon of light for all of us. Okay, thank you.